Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are on the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's class we are going to learn about different types of angles. Okay. So before going into the topic, please share, like, subscribe my channel, and here is a bell icon for you in my channel. So please hit this bell icon. If you hit this bell icon, you never miss my updates. Okay students, now we'll start the class. Okay students, now we are going to start the class now. So what is our today's class? First of all, we have to know what is angle, and then we will know types of angles. Okay. So an angle, for example, you all know that this is a ray. When two rays are combined to form a particular shape is called angle. An angle is formed here. When two rays join together, they'll join at one particular point. That common point is called vertex. And this is called arm of an angle. And this is also called arm of an angle. Now we'll see in textbook what is the definition here given. Observe the pictures. Angles are made when corners are formed. In figure 1, imagine two rays, say OA, OA and OB. These two rays have common endpoint at O. The two rays here are said to form an angle. Look at the door. When it is closed, it does not seem to make any angle with the threshold. As we start opening it, there is an angle formed between the door and the threshold. It also changes as the position of the door changes. Here, two rays can be imagined in the direction of the door and the threshold. Observe how angles are formed between two hands of a clock. The two rays forming an angle are called arms or sides of the angle. The common endpoint is called vertex of the angle. Here the two rays are OA, OB are two arms or sides of the angle, and O is called the vertex of the angle. As angle is formed at O, we read it as angle AOB or BOA, and it is denoted by the symbol angle AOB or angle BOA. Sometimes we can call like this, or simply which alphabet is showing an angle, for that alphabet we can show like this. Now in this figure X, the point X is interior of the angle. Of course, interior is nothing but inside the angle, and whereas S is on the angle, Z is not the interior, it is the exterior part of the angle, and point S is on the arms of the angle PQR. So angle divides the plane into three parts: interior, bounded by the two sides, and exterior, which is outside the angle. Now think about point Y. This is outside of the angle. Here, if you extend the rays QP and QR, will point Y fall in the interior? Yes, no of the angle. If I extend this like this, does the point Y will come inside? No, it may come on the angle, but it does not come interior of the angle. Is it possible to mark a point M in the interior of the angle by extending the rays? Yes. Okay, now we will see so that's what we also defined here. Arms of the angle are nothing but sides of the angle, and the common point is called vertex, and this is the place where an angle is going to be formed for you. Okay students, now this is about your angle, and now we are going to learn, and now you are going to know one more thing. The unit which is used to measure for angles is called degrees. It is represented by small o. And now we will see what are the different types of angles based on the numbers. So the types of angles are, this is first angle is acute angle. It is nothing but the value will be greater than 0 and it is less than 90. If a number which comes between 0 to 90 except 90, all those numbers will be means 0 to 89.9. degrees. All these numbers will come under acute angle. Now in the same way, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is nothing but greater than 90. The value should be greater than 90 and the value should be less than 180. Then I can say all those angles belongs to obtuse angle. And next is reflex angle. What is reflex angle? If the value is greater than 180 degrees and it should be less than 360 degrees, then I can say those angles are called reflex angles. And next is right angle. It should be exactly equal to 90 degrees. It looks in the shape of L. Whereas coming to straight angle, it is also exactly equal to 180 degrees, as the name itself suggesting that the straight angle will come. And next is complete angle. It is also exactly equal to 360 degrees, means you are going to form a one complete circle, then you can say this is called complete angle. And the next one is zero angle, where it is going to start at 0. So these are the different types of angles, and now we will see those pictures, how an acute angle will look, how all those. So students, your types of angles will look like this. Acute angle is going to look in this way, and obtuse angle will be little bit back, and right angle exactly 90 degrees. It looks like shape of L. And straight angle I already showed you, it looks like straight. And reflex angle, the angle is formed in reverse, and complete angle is exactly 360 degrees. And sometimes we will call 0 degrees also, 0 angle also we will show like this only. I showed you a complete circle, right? So in this way you can able to see all the different kinds of angles. So you have to remember very clearly that the angles are going to form with when two rays are going to combine at the same point, that with a common point, this is called vertex. And this vertex, one line is called sides of the angle, or also called arms of the angle. And the units of angles are degrees, and you are represented by with small 0. And coming to the different types of angles, you have acute angle, the value will be between 0 to 90 degrees. And obtuse angle, the values will be 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Reflex angle, it will be between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. Right angle, it is going to measure exactly 90 degrees. Straight angle, it is going to measure exactly 180 degrees. Complete angle, it is going to measure exactly 360 degrees. Now we will see how these kind of angles will come in clock. So if you observe here very clearly, acute angle less than 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is coming at what time? It looks like an exact shape of L, right? At 3 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, 3:30, 9:30 or 6:45, like that you will get right angle. So between this you will get acute angle. And coming to obtuse angle, it is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. So this is more than 90 degrees. And coming here, straight angle exactly 180 degrees. This is about, see I said outside will come reflex angle, and this is complete rotation, one complete circle you need, like this you'll get. Now by you observe, right? Now by seeing this, can you able to identify which belongs to, in this clock, which belongs to which angle? Of course right angle and straight angle we will say very easily, because 3 o'clock here it is belongs to right angle. This is right angle because it is showing 90 degrees. And this is a straight angle, and it is going to show 180 degrees. Then what about these two angles? First 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. What kind of angle you will get here? Okay students, you do one thing, you just try to answer which one belongs to acute angle, which one belongs to obtuse angle. Okay, just please give me a comment in the comment section.